So today, you'll learn how to add languages to the keyboard on your OnePlus 13. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select System and Updates. From here, tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Then you want to select Manage Keyboards and tap on your Gboard. From here, you should see the option Languages. Select that. And currently, you can see I have two languages added to my keyboard. The reason why I have French added to my keyboard is because I had previously switched the system language to French, and because of I did that, then that language was added to this list. If you had a different language that you switched your system language to, then it should also appear on this list. However, if you have just that one system default language and you want to add something different, simply select Add Keyboard. And then you can use this search function, or you can just scroll through the list and look for the language that you want. So let me use the search function and then select my language. Choose the keyboard style that you want to use. And then once you've done that, select Done. From here, if you want to add another language, you can just tap on Add Keyboard, come here, search for your language, and then choose your keyboard style, and then tap on Done. So once you finally added the languages to your keyboard, it's time to learn how to switch between the languages. So the first step is to bring up your keyboard. And then you'll notice that when you bring up your keyboard, you have this globe icon right there next to the spacebar. So just long press on that globe icon. And then you should see all the languages that you've just added to your keyboard. So it will be set to your system default. If I want to switch to Italian, I'll just select it like that. And then now I'll be typing in Italian. If you want to switch to something different, just use the same globe icon and switch to something different. So say Greek. And then you can see the keyboard will automatically adjust to the language that you've just chosen. You can also choose to use the spacebar. So you can long press on the spacebar to bring up this menu here, and you can choose the language that you want to use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.